Hello, welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making baked chicken wings. And these are so good, so delicious and moist. They're almost like eating fried chicken wings, but of course without all the deep frying grease and everything. So let's get started. Okay, this is a 4-pound bag of frozen chicken wings. No need to thaw these at all. Okay, and here is your 9 by 13 dish. You can use glass or metal, it doesn't matter. Just pour these right in there. Make sure you get your oven preheated to 400. We're going to be cooking these for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. You don't need any oil or any of that. The first thing we're going to use is Old Bay seasoning. Just sprinkle it on there. I'd say about 2 to 3 tablespoons. It's going to be about 1.5 tablespoons on this side and 1.5 on the other side. So let's get all the seasonings on this side of the chicken. Next up is onion powder. Just sprinkle it on there. The next thing we're going to use is some garlic powder. Sprinkle this on there. And the last thing we're going to use is a little bit of chicken flavor bouillon. I like this. Okay, so I can just sprinkle this on there. I'll put it in another container. So I'll just sprinkle this on there. Okay, we're going to flip it over and do the other side. Just flip these over real quick and do the other side. Once they're done, there's no need to cover this. Just put this in the oven. The oven is set to 400. I'm letting the oven preheat while I get all these seasoned. You put these in there and you almost forget about them. You're going to let these get done to the point to where they look dry. I'll show you what that is when we get to that point. And that's where these are almost as good, if not better, than fried chicken. Okay, again, I'm putting the seasonings back on here on the other side. Like I said, it seems like a lot, but it's not. You're going to turn these over once when it's mostly cooked through. So, and you don't need any water because these are frozen, so all the water is going to melt into the dish, and that'll be all you need. Okay, no oil, no extra water. Now these are ready to go into the oven. So let's go. The oven is hot. The chicken is in the oven. And now we're going to close it up. And we will check it in about 1.5 hours to see where we're at. Okay, so this is what the chicken looks like. It's almost done. I'm giving it another hour though. And I've been cooking this on 350. So at this point, you're going to flip the chicken over. And you're going to finish cooking it. Okay, so here it is. Here's the chicken, and this is baked chicken. Again, I baked this for 2 hours and 45 minutes on 350. I turned it over 2 times, once at 1.5 hours and another time at 2.5 hours. I let it bake another 15 minutes so that it can get good color like this on both sides. Here, let me show you. See that good color? Okay, so if you like this, please click on the like button. Please subscribe and share and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks.